In the realm of software development, testing reigns supreme as an indispensable stage, a critical checkpoint that no project can afford to bypass. It serves as the critical juncture where the metal of our code is rigorously tested, ensuring that it aligns with the intended functionality and exhibits resilience in the face of unforeseen circumstances. This stage is where theoretical designs meet practical reality. Within this domain of testing, two prominent methodologies emerge: positive and negative testing, each with its own set of principles and objectives. These approaches represent two sides of the same coin, each providing unique insights into the software's behavior and robustness. They are complementary forces that together ensure a well-rounded evaluation. Positive testing, as its name implies, focuses on verifying that the software behaves as expected when subjected to valid inputs and scenarios. It is the affirmation that the software can handle the tasks it was designed for. It aims to confirm that the software fulfills its intended purpose and produces the desired outcomes, ensuring that all specified requirements are met. On the other hand, negative testing delves into the realm of the unexpected, probing the software's resilience by subjecting it to invalid inputs, unexpected user actions, and other unforeseen circumstances. This is where the software's true robustness is challenged. The goal is to identify vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and potential breaking points that could lead to software failures or security breaches. It's about preparing for the worst-case scenarios. Understanding the nuances of both positive and negative testing is paramount for any software tester or developer. It's a duality that must be mastered to ensure comprehensive software quality. By embracing the duality of these testing methodologies, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of our software's capabilities, limitations, and potential areas for improvement. This balanced approach is key to achieving excellence. This holistic approach empowers us to deliver software that is not only functional, but also robust, reliable, and secure. It's about building trust in our software. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the intricacies of positive and negative testing, exploring their definitions, providing illustrative examples, and highlighting their significance in the software development lifecycle. This journey will equip you with the knowledge to apply these methodologies effectively. By the end of this discourse, you will have a firm grasp of these testing methodologies and their crucial role in shaping high-quality software. You will be well prepared to implement these strategies in your own projects. Positive testing, often referred to as happy path testing, focuses on validating the expected behavior of the software under normal operating conditions. This type of testing is crucial for ensuring that the software behaves as intended when everything goes right. It involves providing valid inputs, following expected user workflows, and verifying that the software produces the desired outputs and outcomes. Essentially, it checks if the software works as it should when used correctly. The primary objective of positive testing is to ensure that the software functions correctly according to its specifications and meets the user's expectations. This helps in building user trust and satisfaction. Imagine a simple login form for a website. This is a common scenario where positive testing is applied. Positive testing for this form would involve entering valid usernames and passwords that are known to exist in the system. This ensures that the login mechanism is functioning properly. The expected behavior would be for the system to authenticate the user and grant them access to the website. This confirms that the authentication process is working as intended. This type of testing confirms that the core functionality of the login form is working as intended. It is a fundamental check to ensure that users can access the system without issues. Positive testing is an essential aspect of software development as it confirms that the software meets the basic requirements and can perform its intended tasks. It is a preliminary step before more complex testing begins. It helps to identify any discrepancies between the expected behavior and the actual behavior of the software, allowing developers to rectify these issues early in the development cycle. This proactive approach saves time and resources. By ensuring that the software functions correctly under normal circumstances, positive testing builds a solid foundation for further testing and contributes to the overall quality and reliability of the product. It sets the stage for more rigorous testing phases. In essence, positive testing is about verifying that the software does what it is supposed to do when provided with valid inputs and subjected to expected usage patterns. It is a straightforward yet vital part of the testing process. It is a crucial step in the software testing process, providing confidence that the software meets the fundamental requirements and can deliver the intended value to the end users. This assurance is key to a successful software launch. Let's delve into a more concrete example to illustrate the concept of positive testing. Consider an e-commerce website that allows users to browse products, add them to their cart, and proceed to checkout. A positive test case for the Add to Cart functionality could involve the following steps. 1. The user navigates to a product page and clicks on the Add to Cart button for a specific product. 2. The expected output is that the product is successfully added to the user's cart, and the cart icon updates to reflect the number of items in the cart. 3. The system confirms that the product has been added to the user's cart by checking the cart contents and ensuring that the product details, quantity and price are correctly displayed. This test case focuses on the expected behavior of the Add to Cart functionality when a user interacts with it using valid inputs. By executing this test case, testers can verify that the system correctly handles the addition of products to the cart and provides the user with accurate feedback on the status of their action. Positive testing scenarios like this are crucial for ensuring that the website's core functionalities are operational and meet the user's expectations. By testing the system with valid inputs and expected user workflows, developers can ensure that the website provides a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for its users. Section 4, Negative Testing, Embracing the Unexpected. While positive testing focuses on the happy path scenarios, negative testing delves into the realm of the unexpected, probing the software's resilience by subjecting it to invalid inputs, unexpected user actions, and other unforeseen circumstances. The goal is to identify vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and potential breaking points that could lead to software failures or security breaches. Imagine that same login form from before. Negative testing would involve trying to log in with an invalid username or an incorrect password. The expected behavior in this case would be for the system to reject the login attempt and display an appropriate error message. This type of testing helps ensure that the system is secure and can gracefully handle unexpected or malicious inputs. Negative testing is crucial because it helps to identify potential issues that might not be apparent through positive testing alone. It uncovers vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors or lead to software crashes and data loss. By identifying and addressing these weaknesses, developers can create more robust and secure software that is less susceptible to failures and attacks. Section 5, an illustrative example of negative testing. Let's revisit our e-commerce website example to illustrate negative testing. This will help us understand how the system behaves under unexpected conditions. Consider the same Add to Cart functionality, which is a critical part of any e-commerce platform. A negative test case could involve attempting to add a negative quantity of a product to the cart. One input. The user manually edits the quantity field to a negative value, say -1, and clicks on the Add to Cart button. 2. Expected output. The system should recognize the invalid input and prevent the addition of a negative quantity to the cart. This is crucial for maintaining data integrity. It should display an appropriate error message to the user, such as invalid quantity. Please enter a positive number. 3. Verification. The system confirms that the cart contents remain unchanged and that the negative quantity has not been entered. This ensures that no erroneous data is processed. This negative test case aims to assess how the system handles invalid input, ensuring it can manage unexpected user actions. By attempting to add a negative quantity, we are testing the system's ability to validate user input and prevent illogical or erroneous actions. This is a key aspect of robust software design. The expected outcome is for the system to gracefully handle the invalid input, provide the user with clear feedback, and maintain the integrity of the cart. This helps in building user trust. Negative testing scenarios like this are essential for identifying vulnerabilities and potential points of failure in the system. They help in preemptively addressing issues. By deliberately attempting to break the software, testers can uncover weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious actors or lead to unexpected behavior. This proactive approach is vital. Addressing these issues enhances the system's security, robustness, and overall reliability. It ensures a smoother user experience and a more secure application.